Are you looking for an easy solution to display your beautiful plants? I might have just found the shelf for you. I'm Christine and welcome to Botanical Woman. Don't forget to subscribe and give us a thumbs up if you like this video. I purchased this plant shelf from Amazon because they seemed like a good solution for my space. I wanted to hang some plants by the window. In this video, you will see the quick installation, my personal touches, and my thoughts on the product. So this is the package that I have received, and we're gonna open it and unbox it. Sweet! I will say that this product is not high-end. It is more Amazon Basics than CB2. It comes with 12 of these dishes that you can put plants on it. And then there are 2 legs that extend to the ceiling, to the floor, that holds it up. My one tip is to use a level to make sure the poles are balanced. Where the metal is cut, it is not necessarily smooth, so be careful when you're handling it. And then there's an extension rod that is 8 foot wide. Installation was quick and easy. It took under an hour to install, but another hour to figure out the perfect place for each plant. You could install it alone, but wouldn't hurt if someone helped you. Immediately after installation, I realized it looked like I installed shower curtain rods in my living room. That's not exactly the look I'm going for. So obviously, this is not acceptable. After a few Amazon purchases and a speed run to IKEA, we added grow lights, fake vines, and fairy lights. For grow lights, I bought all the supplies from IKEA. I retrofitted bamboo planters into lampshades, which turned out really cute. I'm very pleased with the end result, and it was a pretty economical choice to achieve this look. Obviously, the fake vines are fake, but it's better than looking at shower rods in your living room, so I'm happy with the compromise. $11 well spent. The fairy lights help set a peaceful mood in the room, which is really nice. They are more blue than I like, and in hindsight, I would have gotten warmer color ones to create a more harmonious environment. I like the fact that you can adjust the brightness, and not to mention, it has a strobe light effect whenever I need to herd a large group of people out of my apartment. Because I have it in front of my balcony doors, it limits the number of plants that can be hung, but I'm happy with the overall results. Having the plants on the shelves along the poles help fill the room with plants across a larger area, creating a warm and cozy environment. I had a lot of fun putting this together. I love projects where I can transform a space. I would only recommend this specific product to serious plant lovers, as it makes a statement in any room. If you want a less imposing alternative, you can buy one without the crossbar, which is still great for displaying your trailing plants. I will add links to all the products I used in the description below. I'm really enjoying how 2020 is looking already. What plant goals do you have for the new year? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Find me on Instagram if you want to trade plant pics. Until next time, happy growing!